Snickerdoodle Chuckle Cookies Recipe. Classic Snickerdoodle cookies with a sprinkle of edible glitter for an extra dose of laughter. Snickerdoodle Chuckle Cookies Recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 2 1½ cups granulated sugar. 3 2 large eggs. 4 2 3/4 cups all-purpose flour. 5 1 teaspoon cream of tartar. 6 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 7 1/4 teaspoon salt. 8 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon. 9 edible glitter for sprinkling. Instructions: preheat the oven. 1 preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 1 line baking sheets with parchment paper. Cream butter and sugar. 1 in a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add eggs. 1 beat in the eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Dry ingredients. 1 in a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, salt, and ground cinnamon. Combine wet and dry. 1 gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. 1 do not overmix. Chill the dough. 1 cover the cookie dough and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. 1 chill dough helps produce thicker cookies. Shape cookies. 1 roll the chilled dough into 1-inch balls. 1 in a small bowl, mix a tablespoon of granulated sugar with a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1 roll each ball in the cinnamon sugar mixture until coated. Bake. 1 place the coated dough balls on the prepared baking sheets, leaving enough space between each cookie. 1 bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. Add edible glitter. 1 once the cookies are out of the oven and still warm, sprinkle a touch of edible glitter on top of each cookie for a magical and humorous touch. Cool and enjoy. 1 allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. 1 share and enjoy the laughter-inducing Snickerdoodle Chuckle cookies. These cookies are not only delicious but also visually appealing with the added sparkle of edible glitter. Perfect for bringing a touch of humor to any occasion.